Hey everyone. Uh, right now I'm in a Mercedes 20 W203 2006, and these go up to about 2012. And then the E-Class is pretty similar to the C on powertrain wise. And I've seen problems with these having a dead cylinder, low compression, and usually what causes it in these cars is running the wrong fuel. These cars require um, 93 or premium fuel. Just like the yellow sticker says on the gas door. And if put 87 there and start romping on it, you're going to hear it detonate. When it detonates, that's where you end up with broken piston landings or broke pistons, and that usually what causes the misfires to happen. And to save you the headache, um, just put 93 octane fuel in one of these. And I believe all the Mercedes I ever owned all took a premium fuel. And like I said, I've ran 87 in one of these before. Um, and if you stab it, you can hear it detonate. When you hear it detonate, that ain't good. And like I said, just go ahead and just put your 93 in there and drive it, and you got nothing to worry about. I hope this helps somebody